good. Bite him like that. Whipping his ass. Okay, don't crank so much. Don't crank so much. Pull, lift it up, lift. Let the rod do the work. See, you got it, and just let the rod. You don't have to crank, just keep that rod bent. That rod will wear him out.
Man.
That rod will wear him out. Okay, hold on. Just lift. Don't reel, just lift.
You got it, Jax.
Okay, and hang on, it reels.
Man.
Just lift. All you can do is lift. He sure is.
Wow.
It's a great thing.
Woo, Jax. Man.
Holy cow. Dude, let's go.
It's about time. Good job, bud.
Sit down for a minute. Yeah. Your heart palpitates.
That's a red drum?
That is a red drum.
He knew.
He's too big to take home. I think we can take 100 million pictures of him. That's exactly right. Y'all look how big this sucker is.
Oh my gosh, Jackson.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I was telling you, Jason, be careful when you're barefooted. Right?
Yeah, I'm going back. It's chasing me.
Jackson, that's like.
Whoa, dude.
Oh my gosh.
You take that one back to Oklahoma Christian and say, hey, y'all beat this. Oh, that's gorgeous.
How big is you?
I thought so. We gonna hit, oh, no. And damn sure you are. But he's strong too, ain't he? Can you imagine your sister with that?
You pull your eye in the water.
I would have probably been underwater by
You're
now.
gonna get your chance at it.
Good job, Jax.
This is why we came here. Perfect hook to hold. You can't let it hit anything. And that's why I said get the rod tip underwater and if he pulls you up against a gully time or two, that's what I'm saying.
Oh, yeah.
Pull that thing, boy. Okay.
Man, this work.
It'll be fine. I want to take a picture of this one.
Good coaching, JC. You still got the bait on there. He didn't even want it. He just wanted to fight.
This is my mom's fault.
Oh, that makes
I'm
sense.
just trying to clear out a picture.
Gobbled up Jackson's meat.
All right. The best way this thing's pictured is like this. Put your hand under it.